Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Wygant. I'm a registered nurse and I am finishing my Master's in Nursing Education degree this semester. I decided to take this course because I am fairly unfamiliar and a bit intimidated by technology. I do my best, but have not put forth the effort that I think this day and age of technology requires. I have been a nurse for 20 years. I currently teach and I work in the recovery room at 2 local hospitals. I am very happy with my decision to become a nurse. It has done a lot of wonderful things for me and afforded me a lot of opportunities, trauma nursing to day surgery to camp nursing. And I think that I haven't yet found my perfect job. So I would like to show you around a little bit and talk a little bit about advantages and disadvantages of technology in nursing. I think that we all can say that technology is great and is a wonderful tool to be able to use. If you haven't heard of telehealth or telemedicine, now it is more widely accepted that telemedicine or telehealth is healthcare at a distance. You can get on Skype like we are doing here and be able to see someone's throat or rash and diagnose them over the computer instead of having someone come in for a visit. There are many technologies that improve education and give better communication and education, like our recertifications. We can now do most of that on the computer and then just go in to do our little test out for our ACLS and BLS. But then again, when technology doesn't work, or there is no internet access, or you have patients or staff that are unfamiliar with technology, that is an issue that certainly needs to be worked out. Not everyone can use the same platform. There is a potential for breaches because information is right out there instead of having that information in a chart somewhere. And I guess we'll be talking more about our thoughts on technology and more about ourselves. So for now, signing off. Thanks so much.